Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be reviewing Glitching AI. So if you don't know what Glitching AI is, it is a tool made to help beginners to start dropshipping businesses easily using AI. It handles most of the hard parts like choosing products, building a store, and creating ads. So the main features of this website is that it has a product picker. The AI finds products that are likely to sell well or famous. And another feature would be is a store builder. It creates a website for you, a logo, a layout, product descriptions, all in one. And another one would be ad creator. So you can make ads quickly using AI, even if you've never done it before. And another one would be an AI course. It comes with a step-by-step guide to teach you how to make your first sale. Another one would be one-click launch or glitch mode. Lets you launch a store and a product with just one click. And the last one would be a refund promise. So if you don't make a sale, they quote unquote claim that you can get your money back guaranteed. So there are a lot of features that Glitching AI offers. It is also partnered with Shopify. So if you want to integrate that with Shopify, you can also do that. So as you can see here, these are the examples of what the AI offers. However, there are some features that it lacks, such as real human customer support. So, since it's all AI, there are no customer supports wherein you can chat with humans or agents. So, some users say customer service isn't helpful or slow. So, another feature would be customization. So, it lacks customization. Although it's fast, it doesn't offer much control if you want to deeply customize your store. Another one would be results are not guaranteed. So even with AI help, success still depends on how well you run your business. And lastly, the last factor or feature that they're missing is that there are no long-term scaling tools. So it is great for starting, but may lack advanced features for big growing stores. So in short, Glitching AI is best for people who want a quick and easy way to start dropshipping, but it may fall short if you want to deeply control or long-term scale options. So yeah, that is it. That is Glitching AI basically. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.